How to reverse video in CapCut. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. Import the video you want to reverse. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply select the video and then you'll find all the options in bottom. Scroll all the way down to the left until you find reverse. After you find reverse, click on reverse. You'll find reverse beside opacity and freeze. Click on reverse and as you can see, it's loading. After that, your video will be reversed. Simply click on top right and save your video. And this is how to reverse video in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.